Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Codependency Test. What is a codependency test? Codependence is a complex and repetitive behavioural pattern characterised by an excessive focus on meeting the needs of others while neglecting one's own well-being and personal boundaries. This tends to stem from deep-seated emotional issues and unresolved traumas, which create an unbalanced dynamic in relationships. Individuals struggling with codependence may find it challenging to assert their own desires, opinions, and feelings, fearing rejection or abandonment if they do so. They become dangerously invested in the lives of others, often to the detriment of their mental, emotional, and even physical health. The purpose of codependency tests is to raise awareness and provide individuals with an indication of whether they may be struggling with codependency, and they are used to increase well-being, confidence, and individuality. The results of a codependency test can serve as a starting point for individuals to consider seeking further support or therapy. As a result, it is commonly used by therapists, counsellors, and more. Here's how to use a codependency test. The first step is to fill in the name and the date, and then read the instructions. You'll then need to rate each statement, ticking yes or no. Finally, consult the scoring to interpret the results. To view a sample assessment of the codependency test, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the test for free. You can also access the test through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keywords to find the note and edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.